Hey guys, it's Rachel J. Welcome back to my channel with another fashion, beauty, and lifestyle video. For today's video, I have a self-care routine for you guys, pretty much because it's winter time for the most part now, and I feel like that is the time where you pretty much try your hardest to get focused on your skin, your life, and organization. So it all has to do with feeling good about yourself and preparing yourself for the week. So I want to do this video for you guys so y'all can try it out yourselves. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get right into this video. Okay, first things first, you guys, we're going to awaken our skin, and I'm going to do this by using the Valjean's Lab Restore Facial Serum. And this pretty much not only awakens our skin, but it moisturizes and hydrates it as well. And I just applied my scarf to get my hair out the way for the next step. My skin color tends to get super unbalanced when it's cold outside, so I'm going to go in with this aloe and rosewater balancing mist just to keep that in order. And now it's time to exfoliate, so I'm going to be using my charcoal gel facial mask by Global Beauty Care, and I'm going to be using the little brush that came with it to apply it. I'm going to leave this on for as long as I possibly can, just to bring my skin back to life as much as possible. And for our last step before we get in the tub, I actually want to take care of my hair as well. So I'm going to be using the Maintain Macaroon Hair Mask by Organic Botanic, and I'm just going to pretty much disperse that evenly throughout my hair. I really just want to focus it on my ends of my hair because that's where it's going to be the driest, and I'm pretty much going to leave that in as long as possible as well. This is my favorite part of the relax routine because I pretty much get to de-stress myself and really relax. I'm going to fill my tub up with my chamomile bubble bath. I'm going to light my hickory clove candle. I'm going to put on some Drake, and I'm just going to focus my mind on relaxing. Okay, once I get out the tub, you guys, I'm going to get comfortable just so I can get my life in order and get organized. But first, I want to put on some comfortable jammies. And although I'm going to leave my hair mask in pretty much all day to keep it conditioned, I'm going to wipe away this face mask because I've had it on for a while now. And before I get too relaxed and too comfortable all on social media and everything, I'm pretty much going to organize my life and get everything written down that I need to do for the week for YouTube and on my calendar. That's pretty much it for this video, you guys. You all have to understand, no matter how busy you are, you really do need to take a self-care day, at least one day out the week, even if it's just 45 minutes to an hour, just to get your life in order and everything organized, just so everything won't be so overwhelming. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.